Good morning, my little gems. How are you all today? I hope you all are fit and fine at home. I am your Reena ma'am. Yesterday we did revision of in order alphabet A to Z. So let's start our session by revising in order alphabet A to Z through some pictures. Alphabet A. A says A. A for ant. Alphabet B. B says B. B for bun. Alphabet C. C says K. C for cat. Alphabet D. D says D. D for dog. Alphabet E. E says E. E says E. E for elephant. Alphabet F. F says F. F for flag. Alphabet G. G says G. G for glass. Alphabet H. H says H. H for hippopotamus. Alphabet I. I says I. I says E. I for injection. Alphabet J. J says J. J for jeep. Alphabet K. K says K. K for kiwi. Alphabet L. L says L. L for lunchbox. Alphabet M. M says M. M for mat. Alphabet N. N says N. N for nose. Alphabet O. O says O. O for orange. Alphabet P. P says P. P for pen. Alphabet Q. Q says Q. Q for quail. Alphabet R. R says R. R for radio. Alphabet S. S says S. S for scooter. Alphabet T. T says T. T for table. Alphabet U. U says U. U says A. U for umbrella. Alphabet V. V says V. V for vegetables. Alphabet W. W says V. W for wool. Alphabet X. X says Z. X says X. X says Z. X for xylophone. Alphabet Y. Y says Y. Y for yo-yo. Alphabet Z. Z says Z. Z for zebra. Kids, after revising in order alphabet A to Z, let us write in order alphabet A to Z in our workbook. Kids, you have to write in order alphabet A to Z in your English workbook page number 75. Kids, first of all, we will write today's date, that is 2/4.1 to 12.20 in order alphabet A to Z. First of all, we will write alphabet A. For capital A, make a slanting line, again make a slanting line and a slipping line. For small a, make a C curve, go up, come down straight. Now we'll write alphabet B. For capital B, make a standing line, go up, make a curve, again make a curve. For small b, make a standing line, go up, make a curve. Now we'll write alphabet C. For capital C, start from little below red line, make a C curve, go little bit up. For small c, start from little below first blue line, make a C curve, go little bit up. Now we'll write alphabet D. For capital D, make a standing line, go up, make a curve. For small d, make a standing line, go up, make a C curve. Now we'll write alphabet E. For capital E, make a standing line, make a slipping line, make a short slipping line and again make a slipping line. For small e, make a slanting line, go up, make a C curve, go little bit up. Now we'll write alphabet F. For capital F, make a standing line, make a slipping line and again make a short slipping line. For small f, start from little below red line, make a curve, come down straight and make a sleeping line. Now we will write alphabet G. For capital G, start from little below, red line, make a C curve, go up, make a sleeping line inside. For small g, make a C curve, go up, come down straight, make a curve. Now we will write alphabet H. For capital H, make a standing line, again make a standing line and a sleeping line. For small h, make a standing line, go up, make a curve, come down straight. Now we will write alphabet I. For capital I, make a sleeping line, from here make a standing line and again make a sleeping line. For small I, make a standing line, put a dot. For capital J, make a sleeping line, from here make a standing line, make a curve, go a little bit up. For small j, from first blue line make a standing line, make a curve, go a little bit up, put a dot. Now we'll write alphabet K. For capital K, make a standing line, make a slanting line, from here make one more slanting line. For small k, make a standing line, make a slanting line and again from here make a slanting line. Now we'll write alphabet L. For capital L, make a standing line, make a sleeping line. For small l, make a standing line. Here we write alphabet M. For capital M, make a standing line, go up, make a slanting line, again make a slanting line, go up and come down straight. For small m, make a standing line, go up, make a curve, come down straight, again go up, make a curve, come down straight. Now we write alphabet N. For capital N, make a standing line, go up, make a slanting line, again go up and make a standing line. For small n, make a standing line, go up, make a curve, come down straight. Now we'll write alphabet O. For capital O, make a C curve and a reverse C curve. For small o, again make a C curve and a reverse C curve. Now we'll write alphabet P. For capital P, make a standing line, go up, make a curve. For small p, make a standing line, go up, make a curve. Now we'll write alphabet Q. For capital Q, make a C curve and a reverse C curve. From here make a slanting line. For small q, make a C curve, go up, come down straight, make a slanting line. Now we'll write alphabet R. For capital R, make a standing line, go up, make a curve, leave some space, from here make a slanting line. For small r, make a standing line, go up, make a curve, come down. Now we'll write alphabet S. For capital S, start from little below red line, make a C curve, reverse C curve and go a little bit up. For small s, start from little below first blue line, C curve, reverse C curve, go a little bit up. Now we'll write alphabet T. For capital T, make a sleeping line, from here make a standing line. For small t, start from little below red line, make a standing line, make a curve, go a little bit up, make a sleeping line on first blue line. Now we'll write alphabet U. For capital U, make a standing line, make a curve, go up till red line. For small u, make a standing line, make a curve, go up, come down straight. Now we'll write alphabet V. For capital V, make a slanting line and again make a slanting line and go up. For small v, from first blue line make a slanting line, go up, again make a slanting line till first blue line. Now we'll write alphabet W. For capital W, make a slanting line, go up, make a slanting line, come down and again go up. For small w, from first blue line make a slanting line, go up, make a slanting line, come down and again go up. Now we'll write alphabet X. Make a slanting line and again make a slanting line. For small x, from first blue line make a slanting line and again make a slanting line. Now we'll write alphabet Y. For capital Y, from red line make a slanting line till first blue line and from red line make slanting line till second blue line. For small y, from first blue line make a slanting line till second blue line and from first blue line make slanting line till red line. Now we will write alphabet Z. For capital Z, make a slipping line on red line, make a slanting line and make a slipping line on second blue line. For small z, make a slipping line on first blue line, make a slanting line and make a slipping line on second blue line. Kids, in this way you have to write in order alphabet A to Z in your English workbook. Kids, you have to write in order alphabet A to Z in your homework page number 42. Kids, after writing in order alphabet A to Z in our workbook, let us do an exercise of missing alphabet in our workbook. Kids, you have to write missing alphabet in your class workbook page number 82. Kids, first of all, we will write here today's date, that is 2/4/24 dot 1/2/12 dot 2020. Missing alphabet. This is alphabet A. And after that, which alphabet comes? Yes, alphabet B. So we will write here alphabet B. Now, this is alphabet C. After alphabet C, which alphabet comes? A, B, C. Yes, alphabet D. So we will write here alphabet D. Now, this is alphabet E. Now here, which alphabet will come? After alphabet A, B, C, D, E. Yes, alphabet F. Now, this is alphabet G. Now, which alphabet will come here? E, F, G. Yes, alphabet H. So, we will write here alphabet H. After alphabet H, this is alphabet I. So, which alphabet will come here? E, F, G, H, I. Yes, very good. Alphabet J. So, we will write here alphabet J. Now, after alphabet J, here which alphabet is this? Yes, this is alphabet K. Now, after alphabet K, which alphabet will come? I, J, K. Yes, alphabet L. So, we will write here alphabet L. Now, this is alphabet M. So, which alphabet is missing here? Yes, I, J, K, L, M, N. So, we will write here alphabet N. Now, this is alphabet O. After alphabet O, which alphabet will come here? Tell me, kids. Yes, M, N, O, P. So, we will write here alphabet P. This is alphabet Q. Now, which alphabet will come here? After alphabet Q? Yes, Q, R. So, we will write here alphabet R. Now, after alphabet R, this is alphabet S. Now, which alphabet is missing here? After alphabet S? Yes, we will write here Q, R, S, T. Capital T and small t. Now, after alphabet T, this is alphabet U. Now, which alphabet will come here? U, V. Very good. So, we will write here alphabet V. And this is alphabet W. U, V, W. So, which alphabet will come here? Yes, alphabet X. So, we will write here alphabet X. Now, this is alphabet Y. Now, at the end, which alphabet will come? Very nice, kids. Yes, alphabet Z. Z for zebra. Very good, kids. Kids, in this way, you have to complete missing alphabet in your workbook. Kids, you have to write missing alphabet in your homework, page number 44. Kids, I hope with the help of this session, you have learned how to write in order alphabet A to Z in your workbook. Take care kids, keep smiling. Bye bye.